Hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope you're having a great weekend so far. We are back at Walmart. I was kind of hoping that some of the patriotic items were on clearance. Not yet. Hopefully soon. Those are $1.98. They are working on this area, so maybe I'm a little early. The banquet plates for $1.98. They have a lot of them. So I'll be back in a week and I'll kind of double check this area. Now these plates are really cute. Still $2.98, still a good price. We have the popsicles and the stars. Oh, the hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. I use these on my kitchen sink, so I am going to pick one up, $1.48. The Simply Saline. So these are sold separately, $6.12 if you just need one. However, if you use this quite often, Costco, you get 3 of them for $14. The allergy relief. Yeah, compared to Zyrtec. This time of year, allergies are still out there. I get my allergies February, June, and October. I always make sure that I'm prepared. Now, the summer items, they have a lot of great summer items here at Walmart. The chairs, some good options. So those are about $45. I like the wood arms. Lots of options when it comes to the folding beach chairs. Like this one's about $29. Has a cup holder. Yeah, the lightweight aluminum. Those are about $40. And then the beach umbrellas. They have a lot of them. Those are only $15. Yeah, you could buy more than one. 6 feet around, very lightweight. Oh, the aluminum roll top table. These are actually really cool. Those are $52 each. Now the soda maker. Oh, this is interesting. I know these are really popular to make your own, sparkling water. $50 or make your own soda as well. We have the TheraBreath Oral Rinse. Now, I like this one. I do use it. It is a little pricey. I've tried so many different mouthwashes. This is my favorite. It doesn't burn at all. 4 different flavors. They kind of all taste similar to me. Now, 2 different prices. $9.26. We also saw $8.82. Again, I know it's a little pricey, but it's absolutely worth it. We found the mesh chairs in 2 different colors. Oh, these are always good to have a couple on hand. The price is really just right. $14.43. Oh, the red vines. These are good for summer because you don't have to worry about them really melting like chocolate. That whole tub, $10.64. And of course, if you want just a regular outdoor grill, no gas, $60. And then here is the briquettes to go with it. The Kingsford. Now, this is a pack of 2. And the price, $18.47. Now here is a gas grill, the 3-burner gas grill. It's a really good price, under $100, $96. And I like the little side tables on there. That's a good one, especially for under $100. And the outdoor games. I know it's a little warm outside, but perhaps like early morning, in the evening. They have some really great outdoor games still. Some of these I have never heard of before. But I like that there's a lot of options. Now, as a kid, I did have the bowling game. That is a classic right there. Fortunately, there was no price. And of course, the beanbag toss. These are always so fun to have. That's a good price. $53 or $52, my apologies. And then, of course, if you love to golf, now that box has a special of $25, normally $50. So I wonder if it's just because the box looks a little damaged. And then the 2-in-1, the tailgate combo, backyard game combo set. Yeah, there's a lot of outdoor game sets here at a really good price. That one's only $15. And of course, if you're wanting just a little family pool, really great price, $30. And of course, don't forget your cups. Ooh, these change colors. Those are always fun. I like the handle, $4.50. They are plastic. And then over here, we have the 26 ounce, the textured tumbler for $5. They almost look like mermaid tails. And then over here, the 30 ounce with the handles. Oh, these are pretty. And those are $6.94. All right, the anti-itch cream, good to have on hand for bug bites. So I'm gonna pick up one. They have a lot of them. Those are $3.12. And then for $6.98 right next to it, always good to have on hand. It's a first aid kit. You get everything you see right here. Yeah, 85 items. And then the all-purpose propane. This is a pack of 2. Now these are not refillable, but for 2 of them, $10.22. And the Coleman, this is the ice chest. This one is about $60. So if you're looking for a new ice chest, Walmart has so many different options, so many different sizes. Now here's one by Igloo. It has a soft top. Now of course, in the store, you know, it's really warm outside, but the stores are a little too cold for me, so I always make sure to bring a sweater with me. That one is $40. I like it. I like how slim it is. That's perfect for in the car. And of course, you have your handle on the back. And if you're barbecuing and you need some outdoor sauce bottles, those are only $1 each. I like that they have the little tops to cover them. A lot of times you don't see that. Now the Titan coolers, we've seen these at Costco. These are really nice, $35. Whoa. That's not a bad price for these. And then you have your wheel and tire kit. So $20.62. This is by the Chemical Guys. This is a good brand. I have a couple of items from this brand. Also with the Chemical Guys, this is called Mr. Sprayer. There are so many great multiple uses for this sprayer. It's $28.77. Don't forget your detailing towels. 24 of them in here. And the price is actually really good. $10.32. They have a lot of the outdoor items together. The wash and shine. Now this is the car cleaning kit by the Chemical Guys. And we've seen this at Costco, also at Sam's Club, $42. And don't forget your wheel and tires, and of course your wax and dry. So lots of great items for detailing your car. And don't forget your beach towels. There's a lot of great towel options here at Walmart. So these are $9.98. They're a really good size. So 34 by 64 inches. And of course for the kids, we have the character towels. These are a little smaller. See if we can zoom in on the size. 28 by 58 inches. $9.98. Now these towels are really pretty. I like the fringe at the bottom. They're super soft. Now these are 38 by 72 inches. Now these do cost a little more, $13.92. Now here at the bottom, these are a little smaller, but the price is great. These are only $5 each. So if you're wanting some extra beach towels, so you can see the size, 28 by 58 inches. They are soft, but I really like the price point of these. And if you're looking for like outdoor, like a tablecloth, now most of these are a round one, the PEVA tablecloth. Now the price point is perfect, $3.50. You have a few options. And these are nice because you could just wipe them down. Oh, I like this one at the bottom with the citrus. But I really like the price point. So it looks like you have maybe about three different sizes. And of course, if you're a fan of Mickey Mouse, they have the oven mitts over here. Oh, they have several options. $7.97. Now, I do need a new hamper for my daughter's room. She wants one with wheels on it. I think this is going to be perfect. She's starting to do her own laundry, which is great. $19.88, so $20. That one is perfect. I'm going to grab that one for her. And of course, if you're having any like outdoor parties or indoor parties, the buffet party set always comes in handy. Those are $18.98. They still have a lot of the red, white, and blue. Now it's a pack of 3. And the tablecloths, yeah, $2.77. That's a really great price. And of course the plates, 70 of them. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Perfect for appetizers or desserts, $2.77. And the balloons, $1 each. And of course, don't forget your helium kit, $33.98. That is a really good price. I always have one on hand. They come in really handy for parties. And they do come with balloons as well. And if you're needing the confetti popper, right here, for any kind of celebration, they still have quite a few. $2.47. And your electric balloon inflator. Oh, that could come in handy. $19.12. Oh, I like these. They're really kind of stuck together. Oh, here we go. The clear plastic bowl. Perfect for the outdoors. Those are $4.12 each. Now I'm kind of going on the side. If you're needing a canopy, now this is a 10 by 10. So the instant canopy, this is a really good price. $52. Now we're going to kind of check out a couple of the cleaning items. The Swiffer Power Mop. We saw some of these at Sam's Club and at Costco. So if you're needing refills, this is for the new one, $9.94 for a pack of 2. You have some options, even for wood floors. I really do like the new Swiffer Power Mop. Now the pads, this is a pack of 5. These are $9.94. I'm going to place a link in the description below. If you're wanting to get some from Amazon, you can wash them and use them over and over. Those are really nice. I like those. I have some of those, but if you want the ones you can just, toss, they have them here at Walmart. You can see the kits over here. So about $35. And then these are $30. So you have a lot of options. Now, the Scrub Daddy Power Paste, This product is really one of my favorites. It is a little pricey, $10.37, but it lasts a long time. There is a scrubber inside as well, the Scrub Mommy. So that is one of my go-tos. The Extra Strength, the Carpet Odor Eliminator. This is by Arm & Hammer, $2.58. And of course, perfect for summer. These are so good. No added sugar, cherry limeade, fruit punch, Concord grape. I like them because they're naturally flavored, so no artificial dyes or flavors. You're getting 15 of them for $5.98. Perfect for the summer and for the heat. Well, everyone, thank you so much for coming along to Walmart with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.